back at it again, another video. Today, I'll be doing a bike check on my weird people. Okay, first off, everybody knows, got the Weird People Arcade 2016 arcade frame with these old GTs. Actually, I've got these pegs from my old bike that I used to ride, which is pretty good. Now the seat, I've got a Weird People just stock seat. Pretty good seat, but quite uncomfortable. It's hard as. Now, my hubs, I've got just normal. For my hubs, I've got these Salt hubs with a shoelace around that. If you don't know what a shoelace does, it pretty much just keeps them clean. Like, if you do that, see, it spins and stuff. So yeah, that's the cranks. Yes, that's the one I'm using. I've got these. I'm not too sure what these are. Got Salt cranks with Weird People. What do you call these? Pedals. With these Weird People pedals. These hurt quite a lot when they hit your shin. Portions, you've taken a beat. Now I've got a Salt sprocket. Standard, that's what you get with the 2016 Weird People Arcade. I'm not sure what you get for the other ones, but that's what I've got. Now, I've got, most of these are Salt, so Salt brakes, which I need to get rid of. Standard chain, had to get a new one because someone up at school snapped it. Pain in my ass. Yep. Asshole. Well, I've got like a better focus. I've just got got standard brakes. What do you want? That's why I dropped your brother, by the way. Got standard brakes. Yeah, I need to get rid of these because, like, not meant to be. At the moment, my bike is fairly dirty because I was out riding today and come across a puddle and I didn't see it. So it's like all mud everywhere. Okay, that's what I'm saying. Weird People, bars, need to get new bars. They're like cracked all through here. Pretty unfortunate. So yeah, once again guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure to go give Paradise State a quick follow on Instagram, links in the description. And yeah, hope you liked it. Drop a like, subscribe. See you next time.